In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Zalando coupon codes in 2025. And this is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Zalando coupon code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website which is called voucher codes. So as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say you want to get this one with up to 50% discount uh, on Zalando store. So all you need to do is just tap right here where it says get deal. And for this one, there is no code required. So all you need to do is just tap right here where it says continue to Zalando, and you'll be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. Also, we have this website right here, which is called returnbino.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some deals that we can use to get some benefits on Zalando. So for example, if you want to get this one with a free shipping on orders that are higher than £35, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says get deal. And for this one, there is no coupon code required. So all you need to do is just select where it says shop at Zalando. And after that, you will be redirected to the website where the free shipping will be applied automatically. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.